Hello children, once again I Preeti Shrivastava welcome you all to the online class of Divine Public School. Today I will teach you sense organs. We are able to learn, understand and enjoy all the things around us because of our sense organs. The sense organs are the body organs by which humans are able to see, smell, hear, taste, and touch or feel. The five sense organs are the eyes, nose, ears, tongue, and skin. Our eyes help us to see the different objects around us. We can see the things, colors, and shapes with the help of our eyes. We have two eyes. Some eyes are black, brown, blue, green, and hazel. With the help of our ears, we can hear and differentiate the different kinds of sounds. We have two ears. We smell through our nose. The smell of different things, good or bad, like garbage, food, flowers, can only we know with the help of our nose. We have only one nose. We know the taste of different things like sweet, sour, bitter with the help of our tongue. We have only one tongue. We can feel with the help of our skin as hot, cold, smooth or rough, soft or hard. Our skin is the largest organ because it covers our whole body. It protects us from heat, cold and germs. All the sense organs of our body make our life easy and comfortable. This is your EVS book Environmental Studies. All of you open page number 6. On the page number 6, here is written sense organs. S-E-N-S-E sense. O-R-G-A-N-S organs. Sense organs. We have 5 sense organs. Just now I told you. W-E-V-H-A-V-E have F-I-V-E 5, S-E-N-S-E sense, O-R-G-A-N-S organs. We have 5 sense organs and every organ has its own work. Eyes help us to see. Ears help us to hear. Nose helps us to smell. Tongue helps us to taste. And skin helps us to feel. Okay? Fill in the blanks. F-I-L-L fill. I-N in T-H-E the B-L-A-N-K-S blanks. W-I-T-H with T-H-E the N-A-M-E-S names. O-F of F-I-V-E 5 S-E-N-S-E sense. O-R-G-A-N-S organs. Fill in the blanks with the names of 5 sense organs. Children, first you have to learn spelling of 5 sense organs. E A R ear, E Y E S, eyes, N O S E, nose, T O N G U E, tongue, S K I N, skin. Okay children, you have to learn spelling of sense organs. What is this children? This is a ear. Blank spaces are here. You have to complete spelling of ear. A is written here. Before A, one blank space, and after A, one blank space. You have to complete spelling of ear. Ear helps us to hear. Okay? E-A-R. What is the spelling of ear? Only one ear is showing here. That's why we will write here ear. E-A-R, ear. E-A-R, ear. Ear helps us to hear. What are these children? These are eyes. Eyes help us to see. What is the spelling of eyes? E-Y-E-S. On this blank space you have to write E. Y is written here. Again you will write down E. E-Y-E-S, eyes. What is this children? This is the nose. We have only one nose. Nose helps us to smell. What is the spelling of nose? The spelling of nose is N-O-S-E, nose. Okay? What is this children? This is a tongue. Tongue helps us to taste. Tongue helps us to taste. What is the spelling of tongue? T O N G U E, tongue. Okay? What is this children? Skin. Skin helps us to feel. What is the spelling of skin? S-K-I-N, skin. Okay? Like this, you will complete page number 6 and learn spelling of 5 sense organs. Once again, all of you repeat with me. E-A-R, ear. E-Y-E-S, eyes. N-O-S-E, nose. T-O-N-G-U-E, tongue. S-K-I-N, skin. Okay? Like this, you will learn all the spellings and complete page number 6. Now, all of you open page number 7. This is page number 7. Okay? Here is written activity. A-C-T-I-V-I-T-Y, activity. Children, you all are knowing all the 5 sense organs and which activity do by which sense organ. Okay? E-Y-E-S, eyes. Eyes help us to see. Ears help us to hear. Nose helps us to smell. Tongue helps us to taste. Skin helps us to feel and touch. Okay? Here is written, match the following. Children, you have to, some pictures are here. You have to see all these pictures and match with the sense organ. Which sense organ do which activity? Eyes help us to see. So you have to match this picture with eyes. EYES, eyes. Eyes help us to see. Okay? Like this you will match with the help of scale. EARS, ears. Ears help us to hear. These are sound boxes. Ears help us to hear. So you have to match this picture with ears. NOSE, nose. Nose helps us to smell. So you have to match nose with this picture. TONGUE, tongue. Tongue helps us to taste. Okay, like this you will match. SKIN, skin. Skin helps us to feel and touch. Okay, like this you will complete page number 7. Now we will meet again in next video